Okay, so graph the following inequality for parentheses x minus y is greater than 8. Okay, so I distributed the 4. Can you read that?
No.
Okay.
Alright, use the blue.
Okay.
So you distribute the 4, so point to the steps to your left of what? Distributing the 4. Good. Simplify, right?
Then I took away 4x. No, I added 4x.
Why are you adding 4x?
Because you do the inverse operations, because the 4x it's being subtracted. So if you add it, you have to do the same thing to both sides. On this side, if you add it, it cancels out, and then it lands on this side, so it would be 4y. And then I divided by 4 because you want to get the y by itself.
So why divide?
Because it's 4 times y.
Good.
You want me to simplify it even more?
Would it help? I mean, do you need to?
Not really.
No. Right now you have y by itself, right? So we successfully solved for y. Our slope is in a fraction format, which is beneficial. Y is, point to our slope. Right, 4 over 4, it's in a fraction format, so why is that beneficial?
Because you can use it on the graph, because it's the x and y.
Or the blank over blank?
Rise over run.
Right, if we say rise over run, we're implying that it's in fraction format, right? So that's why it's beneficial. And then we have our y-intercept over there as well. Okay, so we've successfully completed step 1, right? We've solved for y by getting y by itself. Okay, now we're going to begin step 2 and graph the inequality.
Okay, so you take the initial value, start there, then use the rise over run. Close enough. Okay.
That's good. Okay, so we just graphed using slope and y-intercept. Right, so now we have to shade in all the solutions. So how do we do that?
It's greater than the equation, so. Yeah, that's my amazing shading job.
Okay, so you shaded above it because it said greater than or equal to, right? How else could we check?
Choose a random point.
Random point.
And then plug it in.
Good, so that point would be what? Negative?
-1.
-1, 3?
Yeah.
So go back over to where your inequality is and plug in -1, 3.
So,
You can do it underneath so that we can see. Alright, so plug in 3 for y.
and
You get 4 over 4 is what?
4 over 4 is 1.
So 1 times -1. That's a times, right?
Yes.
Or multiplying. Good. So 1 times -1 is 1 times, what's 1 times 1?
1.
So 1 times negative 1 is, okay, so negative 1 plus 2.
Plus 2. And then
Running out of room.
I got it.
Yeah, is that true then? Is 3 greater than or equal to 1?
Yep.
Yeah, so that's why that section, right, is shaded, right? The region above the line is shaded because that point is true, so all of those points have to be true. Okay, now lastly we have to decide whether that line is solid or dashed.
It's solid because it has the equal to as well as the greater than.
Good, right? All those points that lie on that line would make that expression, right, would make that inequality equal. And since we have that equal to thing there, we're good. All right, that's good.